In the year 2050, the world was gripped by a war that raged on with advanced weaponry and relentless battles. In the midst of the chaos, Sergeant Alex Hargrove found himself huddled in the cold, unforgiving trenches. As Alex clutched his rifle, he couldn't shake off the gnawing worry that occupied his thoughts. It wasn't the imminent threat of enemy forces or the bone-chilling cold that troubled him the most, but the loss of his ring finger. In a desperate attempt to stave off frostbite, he had sacrificed a finger, not realizing until later that his wedding ring was gone with it. The realization hit him like a wave of despair, not because he was concerned about his ability to shoot and defend himself, but because he knew the storm awaiting him back home. In the rare moments when his mind wasn't consumed by the war, he envisioned returning to his wife, Sarah, with trepidation, and the fear of facing her wrath for the lost wedding ring was even worse than this horrible war.